Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to another video on Microsoft Excel learnings, different features. Uh, Today, the example I'm going to discuss that would be addressing health challenges. Most of the IT professional are facing these days, at least. That is their body weight and their body fats, because normally these are creating different health challenges. So we will learn Excel as well as we will be checking the health, and we need to be conscious, and if we found anything, let's visit doctor as well. Yeah. Okay. BMI is a body mass index which will tell you as per your weight. By inputting weight and height, it will tell you is this a good ratio. So it will give you a BMI which will have certain ranges. So at the moment it is showing green, which means it is in range, and this is the formula for the BMI. So in order to achieve this formula, I had to use different Excel features or conditions or functions. So let me show you. We will be using if condition in this session, convert function, truncate function. Truncate function is if, let's say for example, you have some number with decimals, so it will remove the decimal part, it will give you the whole number. Conditional formatting and round function. Round function is up to how many decimals you want the number, right? So I will show you why I am using this function, where I am using this function. Okay, first is we have weight. Weight, I am just keeping it in two different units. One is lbs and one is kgs. Actually we need in kgs. So if someone is entering lbs, so first we have to convert it to kgs, right? So I am just showing down because here this is converted value, right? And this is entry. So whatever you will enter here, it will be converted here, which will be used in the formula over here, right? Okay, now let me show you the first where I am converting this kg. So here I am checking the if condition. I am saying if D5 is my this unit selection, where I use this data validation in order to have a list over here. Okay. So only user can select from the list, and I am saying if it is kg over here, this unit is kg, then take this as it is over here. That means kg is kg, we don't need to convert anything. But if it is not kg, this comma is else, this one. So that means E5 divided by 2.20462 is the formula to convert lbs to kgs. Okay, next is height. So normally people enter know height in feet. Let's say 5.5 means 5 feet 5 inches. But maybe it is possible that they have in inches. So here again there will be a conversion over here. Here it is bit tricky, right? Because convert function was not giving direct conversions. So what I did, I am using if condition over here, then I am using convert and truncate. So just have a look over here. I will upload this sheet and there will be link below the video, so you can download for further practices and to have these formulas. So if you see here, I am doing truncate. Truncate means 5.5, I don't need this inches, I just need feet on the left side. So and multiplied by 12, so it will give me 5 multiplied 60 inches, right? 5. Then plus here I have a plus E7 minus truncate. So that means I need a decimal part, and I am doing multiplied by 10. So I get this inches from the right side. So I got 60 plus 5. So it will give me 65 inches. Then what I am doing, here I have I'm using if D7, which is this unit, right, is feet, then use this convert function and this calculation. Otherwise, convert inches to meters, right? Here I was not having this conversion over a direct conversion, right? So let me check. Here I just use feet. Let me put this same spell. Okay, so if you see here, I'm getting this conversion over here. Then I have this BMI formula. BMI formula is simple, right? So here I'm saying E6, just let me put F2 to highlight. So here is a 27 and 1.65 meters whole square, right? This one, E8 square. Okay. Now, if I will change here, let me go to kgs. Let me select kgs. So, if your weight is 60 kgs and your height is 5.5, that means your BMI is 22. That means it is in normal range. These are the ranges I kept over here as well for quick reference. Okay, let me increase weight, right? I am putting it 8, this much. Oh, now things are in red, right? So it is showing overweight, right? Okay, now for this 80, let me increase the age to 60 feet. Now it becomes okay, because height is there, so that means that much weight is okay. But if let's say for example I am putting 5.2 and I will be giving this weight in kgs 90, 36. Oh my god, it is this range, dangerous range. Okay, it's not good. So in addition to Excel, in this case you need to worry about your health. Yeah, it's not only Excel. But anyway, we are learning if condition, convert, truncate. Okay, let me show you the truncate functionality. Okay, if TRUNC, trunc, this and close, right? It will give me only 5. I wanted 5. 5 multiplied by 12, so it will give me inches, 60 inches for these feet. And then I will add 0.2, that is 2 inches. That's it. So it will become 62. Then I will convert this to meters. It will give me the meters, right? Okay, and there is the round function as well that we will see. Okay, this is BMI. So what I did, I created one chart for BMI. This is normally international standards for BMI charts, which you can create the way you want. Okay, here again I did this conversion, right? And then on the left side we had height. Again I did that same conversion over here as well. So it is straightforward. And then here I use this round. See here, this one. If you see here, this round is to 2. If we are coming here, this 25 it is showing white. That means conditional formatting is not able to decide it is red or it is green. Yeah. So what we will do, we will just take over here and we will copy this function down. So it will take 0. See, down it was 2. So I will copy this one. It will not do anything except formula refresh and control down arrow key, control V. Right? If you see here now, due to 2 decimals rounding, it became 25. Right? What is this rounding? Let me show you over here. For example, I have here 2.25. Okay, equal to round this. How many decimals? Let's say 1 decimal. right? So it is rounding to 1 decimal. If I want this to 0 decimals, that means it will give me only 2, right? Okay. Let me put it here 9, right? So I also thought maybe for this conversion where I did this conversion from feet to meters or inches, I should use round, but this will not work because let's say if it is 2.95, so it will round it to 3, right? Anyway, this is the round, and here we have this ranges, and if you see here, this red is overweight, this green is, this is normal range, and let's say for example if I take this current value 36, so if I find here 36, this is higher end. So let me reduce this to 70. For this even this is not good. 5.5, still not good. So 65, 24. So let's see for example 24 where it stands over here, 24, right? So this is in green, we are safe. So how it is green? Now let me check over here. Here since Excel is giving me result, otherwise I have to check in this table. So I will say okay, my height is 5.5 and my weight is how much? I don't know it is even coming over here because I am taking, yes it is there. How much is the weight over here? 65 I think I put it in here. I think this one, see 24. So this is normal range. So this is how you can check in this table itself, or you can create. So this is how I created this table. So you can have that function, that BMI function over here with this is when you have to give power, just like this. Let me show you here, this power, right, raised to the power. So in that, in my case it was raised to the power 2, right? Okay, same way we had, since we calculated BMI, so now we will create or calculate body fat, how much your body has fat. So then you can address fat as well. So for fat there are different ranges, these are international ranges, I mean standards. For women it is different, for a man it is different, and there is a formula differences as well. So this is the formula, few things are hard coded. 1.20 into BMI on from our first sheet plus 0.23, same for both women and men, into age we will take from here, gender we are addressing over here, minus 5.4, and here is minus 16.2. this is the difference between both genders, right? So okay, let's say for example here in this case we have female and age is 45 and her weight is 65, height is 5.5, BMI is 24. If his BMI is 24, then at the age of 45 her fat percentage is 34, and if we come here, see 24. Healthy. Okay. Here. So her age is between 41 to 45. So instead of 45, here if you see here it is showing 23. Up to 23 is healthy. If it is more than 23, then it is more fats percentages are there, right? So here it is 34. That means this is coming in overweight, or you can say overweight or more body weights. See, body fat percentages, it is higher, so it need to be reduced. So if I increase this age, let me see what will be the impact. So if I increase the age, see 35, it is becoming more. So at the same time, if it was female, male, so then 50, then we will come here in this range, and at the age of 50, see in this I put it this age here as a parameter over here, cell reference, and BMI I am taking from the sheet 1, and rest as formula is this, few things are hard coded. So now it is 24 for male. If at the same age, same all those parameters BMI, so this is the age limit, so age is between here, so up to 11 is normal, but it is 24, it is more than 24, so again this is at higher level, right? It should be up to maximum 11, yeah. So more than 11 up to 22, that is overweight. More than 22, that is, something like that. Okay, so this is how you can use these different functions, different formulas to achieve this. So my objective was to show you how you can use different Excel features or functions to, okay, just one more thing. Now if I have to apply conditional formatting, let me give you that flavor as well. So I will select first the whole range, the way I did it. Then I will go to this conditional formatting, right? And I will say manage our new rules. Let me create one new rule. Then for this top range which I had not done, and then I will say format only cells that contains, here I can put the formula, right? So I will say, because between I have a range, so I will say if lower is 30th and higher is 100, then make a color, let's say for example which color we should, because red I already used it, ideal I should have used that one. Okay, let it be blue, right? And okay, see this got this conditional formatting, right? So this is how you can, so same range will have different, see these are different rules on the same range. This is how it is, right? So same range, cell range can have multiple conditional formatting over. Okay, in BMI I also use different cell formatting, conditional formatting over here. So if you see here, now it is green. If I will make it, let's say 80, see it is becoming red, this one, right? So what I did here over here, I went to conditional formatting, and from here you can add, keep adding. So I added 4 over here, 1, 2, 3, 4. You can even change colors again if you need it, or you can edit the rule. It is cell referencing to this, right, range. Up to you, or you want to change the color, you can change the color, up to you. No one will stop you, like this. So if you will use this one, now if that color will come, that range will come, this color will be accordingly. Okay, so if condition, convert function, convert is to from one unit to another unit, truncate to remove the decimals, conditional formatting I just showed you, round is to show how many decimals you want to show, right? I think you will practice at least for your health, and if you are Excel lovers, of course you will get benefit out of it as well. And please share your feedback. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.